What's up guys? Welcome to another video of Explaindio. In this video, I'm going to show you how to make a bonfire scene. Okay? So let's create a project. Name this project. I name this bonfire and click create. Create a scene. Create new scene. Now add some GIF image. So in this video, the GIF image I'm using is created by I. So you can find this GIF image online. Okay, so let's start. Add a GIF image. So I add this boy in here first. So don't sketch, add. Scale this boy a little bit. Okay. Now close this canvas. Go to the GIF section and add frame. So I add 119 frame. So let's preview this. Okay, this GIF will go smoothly. Now open canvas and add another GIF image. So use this fire GIF image. Add, close this canvas. Now add frame. Okay, I'm using 120 frame. Okay, so let's preview. Now adjust this fire according to this stick. Scale this fire a little bit. Now scale this and once again take a preview. Okay, good. Now add another GIF image. So I'm using this tree GIF image. So now adjust this tree and scale it and place this tree behind the boy. Okay, so our three GIF image are added. So close this canvas, come to this GIF section and add some frame. I'm using 120 frame. So let's take a preview. Okay, now open the canvas, add a bitmap image. So I'm using some wood for this fire. Adjust it little bit, scale it down and take a preview. Okay, I forget to remove this animation. Now take a preview. Okay, now add some other character. Don't sketch, add. Oh my god. Now scale it down and match with this boy character so it doesn't look really odd, and place it and place whatever you can. So I'm scale the boy a little bit and place it in here. Okay, now take another preview. Okay, our all GIFs are going smoothly. Now finally add a suitable background. So this background is totally handmade. You can't find this background image on online. So if you want this GIF or background file, you can comment. So let's add our background finally. Don't sketch, add. Adjust the background as per the scene. And take a preview. It looks really nice. Now let's take another preview. Okay, so that's it guys. I hope you will enjoy this video. If you like this video, hit the like button. If you have any question, please comment below, and don't forget to subscribe our channel Learn for Fun. Thanks for watching.